Hi, good morning students. How are you all? I hope everyone doing well. In this video, I am going to continue the story. I will do it. I will do it where I stopped in the previous video. Okay? I am going to continue it. Please look into your books very carefully. At the station, his friends were already there. So basically, we discussed in the previous video. The hero of the character came to railway station to give send up them, and then good luck for their future life. So when he reached station, already his friends were there. Already his friends were ready, were there to go Madras. To go Madras. They were excited and talking loudly because these candidates are very exciting because they got a seat in IIT in Madras. So that's why they are talking loudly. Oh my God, we got a IIT engineering seat in Madras. So after we join, how should we study? How should we make a timetable for the better education? What should we do? So how should we approach with the lecturers? So how should we maintain a relation and bonding with the new people, because we are going to approach some strangers. So they are thinking and talking about all this in a loud voice. The noise was like the chirping of birds. So how birds will make sounds. So how they, at the time of their talking and discussing, the sound is like that. The sound is like that. They were all excited and discussing their new hostels, new courses, etc. So they are all everyone excited because they are going to Madras to study IIT, because they are very happy with that, because their parents are ready and willing to make their sons education in IIT. That's why the candidates are very excited and they are discussing about their new hostels and courses. So already I said you, he was not part of it, but this candidate, the hero of the story, is not part of it because his father rejected to join in IIT. Of course, what happened in his home, we know that everything. So what happened between father and son, how they talked between them, everything we already know. So he stood there silently. So they are very exciting, they are talking about their new life, but this Tsar is only stood silently like that. He's not taking his part, he's not taking his talk in their conversation. One of them noticed and said, "You should have made it." So they are discussing about their new hostels and courses. At that time, one of them noticed Sir, and he said, "You should have made it, my dear friend. So today we are happy, we are exciting, we are going to join in IIT. So how it is all possible by all of us? Only because of you. You made it. You made our life great. So because of your guidance, because of your help, because of your everything in education, we did great in the entrance test of IIT and we got a seat now. So today what we are feeling, all everything because of you." So one of them giving whole credit to Sir, but Sir only stood silently. Sir only stood silently. He did not reply. He only wished all of them. They waved at him, and as the train slowly left the platform. So what happened? So after listening his one of the friend words also, Sir stood silently and he wished them, "Okay, my dear students, be happy, take care of yourself, be concentrate, learn everything properly." So he said everything, and also he waved his hand at his friends, and the train slowly left from the platform. So it's chugging. So slowly it's moving. The train moving from the platform. He stood there even after he could no longer see the train or the waving hands. So after left the train also, he stood in that station and is thinking. So no one waving hands now. There is no train. But the person, the Sir only stood like that and thinking about something. Thinking about something. It was the June of 1962 in Mysore city. So this kind of situation, when it happened in the Sir's life, that is 1962 at the Mysore railway station. See, his friends, everyone going for higher studies, but this the only one candidate is not going to for his higher studies because of his family status and because of his father. Okay, so but it is not the institute ultimate. Sorry, monsoon had set in and it was getting dull. It had started to drizzle, yet it stood there motionless. So that is monsoon, but he's always thinking like that. So he stood like a statue to think about something else. What should he do in the next time? So in that way, he just motionless portion, he stood like that. He said to himself. So after a time, he said to himself, without anger or jealousy, all students from IITs study well and do big things in life. So what is missing about his friends? So I don't have any jealous and I don't have any anger about them. So what I wish, all students in IIT has to study well in their education and they have to do big and great things in their life. So that's I am wishing. So after a time, so he said to himself, but it is not the institute. Ultimately, it is you and you alone who can change your life by hard work. It is not only institute. It is the ultimate thing. So everyone can make their life great by their hard work. So that's I said to you, my dear students, if we are a hard workers, definitely we can get grateful and a strong success in life. So we should be always a great hard worker. Then only we become success. So it is not only institutes only we are not talking about. So in life completely we should be a hard worker and we should always try to make ourselves great in life. So that is we have to believe. Okay, probably he was not aware that he was following the philosophy of the Bhagavad Gita. So probably he is thinking about Bhagavad Gita. There is a word in that, your best friend is yourself and your worst enemy is yourself. So what a wonderful, it is a great word. Who is your best friend? You only. Who is your best enemy? You only. So in Bhagavad Gita there is a line, your best friend is yourself and your best enemy is yourself. So no one will come and spoil our life. No one will come and make our life great. So whatever happening in our life only because of our ideas, our activities, our attitude, our everything. So that is we have to understand. So no one always try to make themselves. So what we have to believe, your best friend is yourself, no other best friends you don't have. And your best enemy also yourself, no others will hurt you, no other enemies for you. You are the best enemy to yourself. So whatever you are thinking, in a difficulty times, are you able to take a right decisions or not? So if you take a right decision, that decision will make you great in your life. If you take at that time wrong decision, that wrong decision push you downwards. That's the only thing will happen by your decision. So that's why I said you, and Bhagavata is telling us, your best friend is yourself and your worst enemy also yourself. That we have to believe today. I hope you can definitely get some realization about this line and about yourself. Okay? Thank you. Next. Later he worked very hard and focused on one thing, never bothering about his personal life or comfort. So after he got a realization, he did not worry about himself. So he never bothered about his past life. Okay, I attended an entrance exam test in IIT and I passed with the high rank, but I shared my view with my father. My father rejected to join me in IIT because of family economical status. Okay, my friend joined and they are studying very well. So why should I waste my life? Is that only my life? IIT only my life? No, I have a number of options. I have a number of opportunities. Why should I lose them? Because of only one thing. So after that, after this kind of realization about himself, he started to focus on one thing to make himself great in his life. So never bothering about his personal life and comforts. So after that, he did not see any comforts in his life. He did not see any peaceful and happy life in his life. He decided to work hardly. That's why I just want to work hard to make myself great. That's the only thing in my life now. I just want to make myself great. So I just want to get a great identity by everyone. How it is possible by me? So in that way, he focused on one thing and he worked hard, and finally he became a wonderful person. He shared his wealth with others. He never used it to help of any caste, community, or political connection to go up in his life. So he did not maintain with any particular caste and community and political connections to go up in his life. So he maintained a great relation with everyone equally. So he shared his wealth with others. So what he has, the properties or wealth, he shared with others, and he gave a number of wealth to the difficulty people. So he helped a number of people in that way. So it is his greatness. It is one of his greatness. So he did not think about only this kind of caste people will get help by me, and this kind of community people only will have relation with me, and I just want to maintain relation and bonding with this kind of political persons. So he did not think about like this. So he maintained wonderful nature with everybody equally. Because of that, today he became a wonderful person, dear students. Okay, next. A son of a school teacher showed other Indians it was possible to earn wealth legally and ethically. So as a son of school teacher, his father is a school teacher. So being a son of a school teacher, he showed how to earn more money in a legal way and ethically. Legally and ethically, how can we earn more money in life? He practically proved that thing to everyone. Okay, and he made everyone to think, and he made everyone to look himself. So how great he is. So that day, because of his father, because of his family, economical status, he lost his dream. But after that also he got a realization and he worked hard on one thing. Because of that, today he became a wonderful millionaire and is helping number of families now. He built a team of people who were equally good, and also he searched many people who are being a good like him, and he found them, and he maintained a group of people for him to help others. Okay, I hope you can definitely understand all these words about this great personality. We'll meet again in our next video. Until then, everyone, keep smiling, be happy and be healthy. Thanks for watching this video. See you, bye, and everyone, be good.